Hi class, I'm Megan Rivera. I'll be your instructor for this semester. I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself to you so you can get to know a little bit about me, especially for my online sections that I won't have an opportunity to meet face to face. You get to see that I am a real life person just like you. If you ever have any questions throughout the semester, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help you and to support you and doing what you need to reach your goals. So, without further ado, here's a little bit about me. So, I am an instructor for the USET department at JCC. I teach ACA as well as CIS 110, which is Intro to Computers. I also teach classes at Wake Tech Community College as well. So here's my family, some things that we like to do in our free time when I'm not teaching or tutoring. We love to travel, so here's one of my favorite places to go to, is Disney. This is us when we were there this past April. And we also love to get dressed up in the same theme for Halloween. So here's us last Halloween dressed up as superheroes and villains. So I'm originally from New Jersey. I have lived in North Carolina for about 7 years. All of my family moved here from New Jersey as well when I came 7 years ago. So I attended college in New Jersey. I graduated from Montclair State with a bachelor's degree. Then I continued on to Ramapo and I got my master's degree in educational technology there. I taught elementary school in New Jersey for 5 years before we moved to North Carolina. I also attended a business school right out of high school where I got a business degree, and I also have an MOS certification from Microsoft, which is Microsoft Office. So one cool fact about me is that I have always wanted to be a teacher from when I was a little kid. That's never changed. And here's just a couple more pictures of my family. We went to Comic-Con a few weeks ago, so as you can see, they really do like to get dressed up. And here's us on another little quick vacation to Virginia Beach we took over this summer. So I hope everybody has a great semester. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to learning a little bit more about you in your introductions.